I get this set up to my group like 4 days ago maybe. I can't remember. But yeah, I just pulled up. This is the Op Bitcoin chart on the daily. Yeah, look, the setup was perfect. Unfortunately, I didn't. I do like I always do, find great trade setups, and from time to time we'll forget to set my alerts. But I know some people in the group hit this nicely. Actually, I think I did. I made some gains on it, but I think I closed early. Either way, it's gone down to its midpoint where a take profit level would have been at. So I'm sure other pro traders saw this and probably are just taking some profits at this level. So I'll just do a little bit more in depth on this and see um, what it looks like on the USDT pair. I think that possibly if it's 125, a good buy-in, that's what 125 is. Yeah, anything from where it's at right now, personally wouldn't. If you're looking to accumulate long term, long term, I wouldn't be buying anywhere besides. Oops, I got this backwards. Sorry. I'm just using a normal 2.5 range here on this. I would be looking to buy just if we seeped into this area, $1.10 or something would be much better, And I could see that falling through it right there with ease. Yeah, it was an uptrend like this on that channel, you can see, but it was so overcorrected. I mean, you can just almost see it for yourself. Yeah. Okay, well, look, it's actually about to hit the bottom of this channel right here. So if we go a little bit more on that, let's just get this volume right here. Coming down. I would expect it to bounce on this channel, but let's see. This is too bright, sorry. With that in mind, let me just mark this for you. So anything past $1.12, that's a great buy-in. So that out the way right quick. This will just tell me some things I need to see right quick. Should be wrapping this up pretty soon. CC there, but really this impulsive candle is the nice one right there. Through this, how far down is that? Down 5%. Okay, it could beat that one actually. Yeah. $1.43. If it wants to stay in this channel, it's gonna stay in this channel. But ultimately, if it wants to break to the downside a little bit, then we'd have to see, because it could actually go through. It could go through this channel, hit fake out, breakout traders. Shorts are coming in at this level. We could hit the 618 and just come right back up, into it. So it's hard to say, but because I'm a swing trader, and if I'm trying to accumulate long term and I believe in the project, I'd be a buyer. Time high is here. Yeah, I would need to see lower. This is me. I don't know if it's gonna get there, man. But like I said, ideal buying spots just would be, and I'm just going off this 2.5 range right here, would be below this area as well. And I wonder what this is looking like. At this right here, and this will help me out as well. Oh yeah, that's beautiful. 111, that's perfect. Yeah. So all this aside, just show you right quick. Yeah, nice. Okay, so this is the point of control for the whole place right here. Ooh, that'd be a sweet buy-in. Definitely, I'm gonna set some alerts right here at this is a nice swing for. Well, that's gonna be. I guarantee you this will be a trade that that takes place and wins is this. So I'm setting my alert roughly. I'm gonna set it like 7% away from where it is, right there. At alert, I'm gonna make this. This is really important for me. I'm gonna make this repeat every time. Minute long, yep. So right there, super nice. Okay, but also where this 2.5 range was is like dead at the 7.86, which is not, I think, or it's at the 7.5 level right there. Of course, 7.86. These two areas could be nice trade setups. That volume node, yeah, look at that volume node right there. It just kind of comes in play. But ultimately, I think if you can be patient, and I think it'll get there, honestly. Unless Bitcoin just decides to take off. Because this channel, look, that's over. Man, that is extended, buddy. That is really, I mean, that is that's parabolic, man, you know? A nicer, healthier curve is like this, you know? And even this is actually a bearish consolidation, you know, believe it or not. You really want the best consolidation is you know, a downwards in a downwards channel manner, you know. That is actually the most bullish consolidation. So with all that said, I'd say I'd be a buyer, definitely at, if you don't want to miss the move, I think you can't go wrong buying at the 618. If you just have to get it right away and you want to safeguard yourself, $1.45. Okay, so I'm gonna just mark this down here for you. And that $1.45 is because if you feel that BTC will hold and go higher. Okay. Second best is $1. I'd say $1.12. Actually, don't even let it get there. $1.13. Front run that. You know, $1.13 is our boom, boom, boom. My personal favorite. Trust me on this. I guarantee you, traders all over are eyeing the swing failure pattern on this. That's a clear as day down liquidity grab on that, you know. So this is our swing failure pattern on that. We can just mark that. That's glaringly easy to see. Well, I said $1.13. That's that breaches into the range where, you know, longs are nicely accepted at. And just to show you this, what's awesome about this is this point of control of this range right here is, and so this swing failure pattern is right past that. If you don't know what an SFP is, I think I've explained that enough. SFP, okay, so, and since I have that covering, I'll just make this in the middle, SFP. And so actually our best possible trade setup is the value area low of this. So at 65 cents, just say 66. All right, 66 cents. Absolute best. You know what I'm saying? Don't think it'll get there. Doubt that. Which was that? 88 cents, yeah. at 67 cents. There we go. That was pretty. Shit, am I still recording? I'm still recording.